The Range Rover Velar, arguably one of the most stylish SUVs available, is getting subtle exterior changes for the 2024 model year. Land Rover's designers did not make too many changes to the styling of the luxury vehicle, which largely retains the sleek styling of the pre-facelift version. The new headlights feature jewel-like daytime running lights and flank a subtly redesigned front grille. The lower part of the bumper at the rear has been slightly updated. Hello everyone, welcome. This is Real Channel Automotive, a place to help you understand the world of automotive mobility. Please subscribe our channel to receive future updates. Inside, the 2024 Velar now features Land Rover's twanky 11.4-inch infotainment system with a floating curved glass touchscreen. This hardware change aligns it with the Range Rover and Range Rover Sport, allowing users to access 80% of available functions with just 2 taps of the home screen. Pivi Pro is capable of receiving over-the-air updates and includes wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support, as well as wireless charging in a new storage area in the center console. OTA updates for the powertrain and chassis, as well as navigation mapping and onboard diagnostics, are also planned. Land Rover plans to sell the 2024 Range Rover Velar in the United States as a base P250 model with a turbocharged 2-liter engine producing 247 horsepower and 269 pound-feet of torque. The output is routed to a standard all-wheel drive system through a new 8-speed automatic transmission that promises smoother gear changes. The P400 model features a larger inline-six 3-liter engine with 395 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque. This mild hybrid engine also uses an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, and the 48-volt lithium-ion battery pack is housed beneath the cargo floor in the back. The 2024 Velar is already available for order in the United States, with the P250S starting at $61,500 and the P250 Dynamic SE starting at $63,600. Land Rover charges $70,600 for the P400 Dynamic SE and $84,795 for the P400 Dynamic HSE if you require the 6-cylinder engine. Wool and polyurethane textile inserts are used in the leather-free upholstery, and 3 new leather interiors are available in cloud, raven blue, and deep garnet. Land Rover is adding moonlight chrome accents to the steering wheel, air vents, and center console surrounds to spice things up. Customers can now order the Velar in metallic Veracene blue or premium metallic Cedar gray outside. The Velar facelift is also available in Europe as a P400e with a plug-in hybrid powertrain. It has had its battery capacity increased from 13.6 kilowatt-hours to 19.2 kilowatt-hours, allowing it to travel 40 miles in the WLTP cycle on electric juice, which is 7 miles more than before. Furthermore, the maximum charging power has been increased to 50 kilowatts by the engineers. On the old continent, Land Rover will also sell 4-cylinder D200 and 6-cylinder D300 diesel versions of the 2024 Velar. The SV Autobiography, with its mighty 5-liter V8, is sadly absent. JLR has replaced the supercharged engine in the latest Range Rover and Range Rover Sport with BMW's twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8, codenamed in 63. Thank you for watching. To receive future updates, please subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video.